Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we discuss about the automated real-time detection of potentially suspicious behavior in public transport area. In this process, we tracking the object and recognizes that behavior. In this paper, we detecting the people and tracking based on the 3D object level information and blob matching technique. In this paper, we tracking the object and recognize that behavior. Here, we detecting the people and tracking that people by using the 3D object level information and also the blob matching technique. Here, these blob matches and behavior events are recognized by using inter-object motion and employing object features. Here, that are relevant of security in public transport areas like abandoned and stolen objects, fighting, fainting and loitering. Here, we use the tracking the foreground by the normal background subtraction method. In this process, we subtract the background from the image by the foreground. Here we find the foreground and tracking the foreground, and using that binary image we find the height, width and the axis of motion of each foreground, and that motions will be helped to identify get the 3D object level features from the foreground image, and that foreground image will be used to identify whether our input foreground will be a normal or abnormal behavior. It is the flow diagram of our proposed system. In this flow diagram, first we give the input for the video, and that input video will be converted to the frames because the image processing done in the frames only. After the frames conversion, we detect the object by using the object modeling technique. In this process, we extract the background from the foreground and then we identify what is the object here in the videos. After the object modeling, we extract the background from the object and identify the foreground by using the binary images. And that object modeling will be finished, then it will be go to the blob to object matching. Here the object will be matching to the blob. It means the background subtracted image is a binary image, and using the binary image we find the object in the original frame. It will be help to identify the object in the frames, and that object will be go to the process of occlusion handling. In this process, if any occlusion will be formed in the frame, it will be identified whether it is occlusion handling is ordered or not. The occlusion handling is the process of two objects will be merging here. After the object occlusion handling, then we detect the or extract the features for object creation and removal. Here, where the object will be splitting and where the object will be merging, it will be found out by using the object creation and removing process. After object creation and removing process will be done, then it will be go to the feature calculation. Here, the motions of foreground will be calculated by using the axis and also the movement of axis. After the feature calculation, we recognize that feature by using the classifier and identify whether that foreground feature will be the normal or abnormal by comparison to the train feature. Thank you. Now I going to demo of our process. Open the MATLAB and open the source code folder, then open your coding in MATLAB and then right click the main.m and run that file, and the coding will be run. Then load the video from the dataset. After the video will be loaded, the video will be playing here. Wait some more time for playing the video. The video will be played, and then we convert the video to frames by clicking the frame button. Now the video will be converted to the frame. Here the process updated by using the wait bar for frame conversion process. After the frame conversion, we pre-process each frame by using the pre-process button. Here the frames will be pre-processed and also overall frames will be counted here. After the pre-processor, then it will be automatically go to the object handling step. After the preprocess, then we subtract the background from the foreground image, and here the background will be subtracted. The wait for updation will be so the completed for background subtraction and overall same. After the background subtraction, the background subtracted video will be played. Here it is the object of background. Each background foreground object will be calculated from the by subtract the background from our overall screen. After the background subtraction will be finished, then go to the object match block. Here the object will be matching to the block. Then here occlusion will be detected. If the occlusion will be detected, then we go into the occlusion handling process or find out where the occlusion will be formed. Here the occlusion will be detected and the object handling will be processed. Here the updation of object handling process level. After the object handling, it automatically go to the analysis of frame and find out the suspicious behavior in this input videos. And now the loitering process will be going on because the one person will be not ready, and here work together process will be done because the two persons will be working together, and here or some people first will be meeting together, so this person will be together, and here first loitering and then go to the fighting process will be done. Process complete form will be created. Here that will be helped to identify, analyze the process for the calculate accuracy, error rate and also things. Here press home button, we will go to the starting step and give the existing step will be existing the process. Now we are going to analyze the process by click this button. Now the analysis result will be open. Here it is the analysis button, analysis result. Here the classifier calculating values by bar. Here the correct rate will be the 0.95% yes, so the error rate will be low and the sensitivity will be higher and the specificity will be, and the positive privilege and negative privilege of the classifier will be equal to 100% and the pass rate will be the used to low. Here the existing and the proposed graph accuracy will be comparison. Here the existing process will be the 86.27%. Here the number of observations for identify the accuracy by using the 2328 frames. Now the correct rate will be 0.93% and error rate will be 0.04% and sensitivity is the 0.94% and specificity is the 1% and the positive predictive is 1 and the negative predictive is the 0.99 and also the pre-variance will be the 0.02. And the proposed accuracy will be calculated by the 93.59%. Here this is the confusion matrix. This confusion matrix, here we will calculate the three types of class will be calculated. The three types of class, the 48 class and the first class, the 48 will be correctly classified, and also the 2 will be the wrongly classified, and 1042 will be class will be corrected in the class 2, and 24 will be the wrong classified. And here it will be calculated whether the overall frames will be calculated from each sample and what is the accuracy will be calculated by using the confusion matrix. And actually it is the true value and it is the estimated value. Thank you.